Daddy, that's Tech here. Hi guys, Daddy, that's Tech here. I took over my dad's channel, Daddy, that's Tech.
Yeah, Daddy's Tech here, Daddy. And what you got here?
I've got an iPad, I think it's Series 7.
Yeah, Series 7. What is it? 10 inch, isn't it? 10 inch.
10 inch.
Okay.
How much? Well, good. So iPad 7th generation, 32GB. Also includes the iPad, the Lightning to USB cable, and it says iPad, and it's the dark grey one, it's the dark grey one, not the white coloured light grey one.
Okay, so let's have a look at it then. We're gonna unbox it.
Yeah.
Let's get unboxed. Let's lift it up from side. Go ahead. Use both hands to lift it up. So you don't want to rip the box.
I have one of the left.
That's it.
Oh, wow. It looks way bigger than 10 inch. I can also, maybe I can get my other tablet.
So it's a 10 inch tablet.
See if it turns on.
Turns on. What else has it got in the box? Hello. Say the words. Hello.
English.
You won't set it up yet anyway, will you? Let's get a cloud account. You have to get the Apple account.
How do I get it out? Stop.
Yeah.
I don't want to destroy it.
You have to get an unboxing knife. Leverage. I'm going to scotch it up. So, how do you feel about that? The iPad?
Happy.
You happy? But this is for what did you get it for?
Fortnite.
No. What did you get it for?
Oh, for William and Apple.
No. You've got it for
my school.
For your school, for internet. Careful with it. So tell them about it. What's it got?
It's got the black Apple logo. It's got the adapter to
connect to
keyboard
connector. What else has it got? Is it headphone jack?
Headphone jack.
What else?
The charger and speakers at the bottom.
Volume rocker was the volume rockers. So it's got dual speakers at the bottom. Volume
rockers there.
And an on-off switch at the top. Has it got a mute switch as well? Anyway, like the iPhone. No. So it's got dual speakers. What you got in the box here then?
So you've got this cable to charge it. I thought it was some earphones.
Power brick.
Power brick. I don't know much of this stuff.
Power brick.
It kind of reminds me of the MacBook charger thing.
Yeah, it does. So that's a power brick, and it's got some stickers in there and some paraphernalia.
I don't think there's any stickers in it. Oh yeah, there is.
So you got some Apple stickers. So you happy?
Mm.
Oh yeah. So that's a present for your Inter-High. Even though you haven't finished it yet, but that's your present there for Inter-High from myself and your mum. Saying well done to finish it for doing your Inter-High and doing all your work at school. So he does online school, he does Inter-High, and then that's his.
Let us know if you do it as well.
Yeah. Inter-High is an online school and he does it. Let's have a look. Show me around the tablet again.
It's time
so
to go.
So it comes in space grey.
Time to go. Montage.
And the button. What's the button at the front?
Oh yeah, the home button.
Yeah, home button to turn it on. Okay. Alright, put it down then. Well done. And
thank you, Mummy.
I'm going to put it in the odd down.
I'm going to put it in the odd down.